Hey y'all, hope you're having a beautiful day. Okay, let's take this Dollar Tree faux leather and elevate our Walmart notebook. I think we can make a really nice journal out of this. Okay, I want to start by measuring my notebook. I need to leave a little extra, and then we'll cut it on the Cricut so it's exact, no jagged edges. And then I have a couple of different things I want to do with applying it. We'll do two different methods with our glue. Alright, so this notebook is 7.5 inches wide. It is 9 3/4 inches tall. So we're going to make a rectangle 9 3/4 inches tall because I want it to be exact for the height. But we're going to make it 16 inches wide. We want to have some flap to come in on the edges. We could potentially, if we have enough, cover this whole inside cover that has words. We'll see how much we have. Let's lay it out. We'll definitely need the large mat for this. My machine cuts Dollar Tree faux leather the best when I cut it good side down. Alright, we will cut on faux leather paper thin. Again, I put mine good side down, and I am going to use default pressure. I always clean my blade, keep the tin foil ball in the cup. If your mat is bent at all, you just got to make sure it catches both rollers. Once it's in, you're okay. Okay, we got our nice perfect cut. Thank you, Cricut. We have our nice affordable upcycle here. And then I thought about it, what about, we'll cardstock the inside before we place the leather. So that way the inside is nice and clean and beautiful. So now, I don't have near as much cardstock as lots of folks do, but I think I have a fair amount, so we'll go on the cardstock hunt together. This paper is from Tuesday morning. It is patterned paper. It's not cardstock, but it's very beautiful, right? I want the yellow to be seen, so we'll do the yellow inside, the yellow inside, the leather outside. Let's get making. To make sure I get the exact cut the way I want it, we know that this is the inside back, this will be the inside front, and then we'll have both of those, you know, lining up nicely for our inside cover. We'll square it off, and we'll use our same measurements from when we set it up, except we won't be making them longer for the overhang. Just really want it perfectly square. We can use our trimmer for this. I was thinking she wasn't 12 inches wide. I was wrong. Does anybody have a really great way to store their trimmer? There's no way to hang it up. Every hook I try to hang it on, it always falls because of the front panel. Help me. Point me in the right direction. How do you hang yours? Or store it in general. My thoughts are to minimize wrinkles because it's paper and not cardstock. Forgive me. We'll hold the covers down. We'll Mod Podge the inside cover and let it dry. And then we'll use the Easy Press Mini for the heat set method. It helps to prevent wrinkles so well, and this paper is really thin, and I really think we can make something great here. We'll go for a nice even layer, not a thin coat, not a thick coat, an even layer of the Mod Podge. We'll let it dry. We'll bring our paper to it and we'll heat set it. Okay, so we are dry. We're going to take our paper, line it up as best we can. I actually want to tuck mine down into the binding because again we're going to have that leather overlapping. Our Easy Press Mini heated up just to the first setting. Time for the back cover. Some of these Dollar Tree clips to help time for the back. A couple of spots stuck, so it's not perfect. Perfection is overrated here, but we do our best. So we'll learn that next time I'll do something to dangle the pages away from either cover, but it's not that bad. Alright, so I got the top and the bottom. We'll let it dry overnight. Clean it up. I think it's going to be amazing. Leave me a comment. Tell me your thoughts. I'm doing everything I can to think of new ways for us to use the Dollar Tree faux leather. They give us what, in my opinion, is a really great product that I want to use a lot more of. Good morning. This worked better than I thought. It's firm, it's sturdy. I just gotta clean up those edges.